Yes. So, dear student, I Rakesh Jain from Gyanvir University. Today, I am going to teach you about how to find out the value of a resistance that we just purchase from the market, and we just see there are different color bars over there. How we can find out the actual value of that resistance? So, first of all, just see this file. Okay. So as we know that resistance is a device which provide obstacle in the flow of a current. Resistance is a device which provide obstacle in the flow of current. Kindly wait for a while. Yes. Are you able to see on your screen this MS Paint file? Just tell me in message box, are you able to see this MS Paint file on the screen? Very good. Okay, okay. Yes. So see this MS Paint file, and I am going to teach you about the resistance color coding. Resistor color coding. Actually, whenever we just purchase any resistance from 5 kilo ohm, 15 kilo ohm, 12 kilo ohm, actually that resistor consists of certain colors over there. For example, I just show you this one or two resistors so that you will understand easily. Now see this MS Paint file. Now see, there are, you just see three components are there, in which color lines are there. On the topmost side, brown color, sorry, orange color, then black color, then yellow color, and the last one as a gold color you are easily see. Then in second case, orange color, then brown color, then gold color is there. Then in third case, brown color, black color, orange color, and gold color is there. So these three components are what kind of components? These are resistors. These are actually the resistors. We just use as a symbol, and this is your resistor. Resistors are what? Resistors are those which provide obstacle in the flow of a current. Actually, the symbol of a resistor is looks like this one. The unit of this resistance is ohm. The resistance unit is ohm, and the abbreviation for this resistor is R. But actually, when we purchase from the market, it will looks like this one, in which four different colors are there, or we can say it will looks like this one component in which four color lines are there. Four different color lines are there. One color, this one two color, this one third color, and this one fourth color. There are four different color lines are there. Okay, and this is a component which is known as resistor. So actually there is a format. There is a format so that we can easily find out what is the value of a resistor, right? And the standard format you can use throughout the world. This standard format, you can use this standard format throughout the world. First of all, just remember the format, then I will tell you, I will teach you that how to use that format. Okay, and then we will see, if colors we can easily see, then how to find out the answer of how to find out the value of those resistances. First of all, there is a standard format. Remember that standard format, that is B Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. This is a standard format throughout the world. Everyone knows this format. You can use this standard format to remember the color coding method to find out the value of a resistance. B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. This is a standard format. Now, what is the meaning of this? First B, then second B. These are actually the different kind of resistances. First of all, what is the meaning of this first B? First of all, what is the numbering over there? First of all, what is the numbering over there? This first B numbering is 0. The first B numbering is 0. Then second B numbering is 1. Then R, Roy. So this R is numbering is 2. Then O numbering is 3. Then Y numbering is 4. Then forget about this off. Then the G numbering is 5. Then this Britain first B numbering is 6. And forget about has A. Just forget, and the numbering for this V is 7. Sorry, numbering for this V is 7. Then the numbering for this G is 8. Then W numbering is 9. So these are different numbering for this abbreviation. This is what is the standard format for of a resistance using color coding method? The standard format is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. Now, what is the numbering for those format? First B stands for 0, then second B for numbering for 1, then R for 2, 0 for 3, Y for 4, then Great G for 5, Britain B for 6, then has a very, so V for 7, then good Z for 8, then W for 9. Okay, now what are the colors meanings? What are the different color meaning? So see, first of all, what is the meaning of this B? This B means black color. This means the first B stands for B for black. The first B for black, remember this thing. The second B for brown. The second B for brown color. If you will easily understand this color coding, then you can find out answer of any value of resistance. Okay, so just see very carefully. Then this third R for red. Then this R for red color. Remember this R for red. Then this O for orange. Then this O for orange. O for orange. Then this Y for yellow. Then this Y for yellow. Then this G for green. G for green. For green. Then this B for blue. Then this V for violet. V for violet. Violet. Then this G for gray. G for gray. And the last one W for white. The last go to market and just purchase any resistance from the market, then how can we easily find out the value of resistance? With the help of a color coding format instead of the basic multimeter. Okay, so what is the standard color format? So you just see on the screen the standard color format throughout the world is B.B. Roy of Great Britain has a very good wife. To remember, to keep in our mind the resistance colors, the resistance colors values. So what are the values? First B for 0, that is black. Second B for brown, that is value is 1. Red color value is 2. Orange color value is 3. Yellow color at 4 numbering. Gray color, green at 5. Blue at 6. violet, that is purple, we can say bangi. Okay, so violet for 7, gray means slaty, we can say. So gray at 8 and white for 9 numbering. Okay, now just keep this format and remember every register consists of 4 different colors. Every resistance consists of 4 different colors. Okay, the first color, which one is first, which one is second, which one is third, and which one is fourth. Which one is first, which one is second, which one is third, and which one is fourth. Okay, here because I have to explain in front of you by writing down on a MS Paint file, so I have to use at least one color to draw anything in front of you. So I just use a black color to draw anything in front of you. Okay, okay, so 1 2 3 4, these are 4 different color bands. So which one is first, which one is second, which one is third, and which one is fourth. So remember always that this stands is fourth color band, in which only 2 colors you will see, either gold, either silver. One more thing is also there, that is no color. This fourth color band is used for tolerance. This fourth color band is used for tolerance. In any register you just purchase from the market, you will see there are 4 color lines. Okay, which one is fourth and which one is first? So the fourth color is that one in which either gold you will see, gold color, either silver color, or either no color. So that is your fourth color. Okay, either gold, either silver, or either no color. Generally gold is available. Okay, so this color band is always known as tolerance. This is always known as tolerance. How many up and down is there? How many up and down? For example, if I say you have 100 rupees, just 5% deduced, it means 100 multiplied by 5 and 100 multiplied by 5 by 100, that is 5%. So 5 rupees. So either what is the range? Either 95, from 95 to 105, from 95 to 105, 5 down or 5 up. So that is known as up down. So that is known as tolerance. So either gold, either silver, or either no color. If gold is there, if gold is there, then how many up down in the value of resistance? That is plus minus 5%. Plus minus 5%. Remember this thing. Whenever gold color is there, it means plus minus 5%. If silver color is there, then how many up down? Means what is the tolerance for the resistor? That is plus minus 10%. Always remember this thing. 10%. If no color is there, it means no color band is at the fourth number. It means plus minus 20%. But most probably you will see the gold color over there. So remember, the fourth color band of a resistor is known as tolerance band. The fourth band is known as tolerance band. And what is the tolerance? Generally gold is available, so plus minus 5%. Okay, you will see later on after till the completion of this class, you will easily find out how to find the value of a resistor. Just to see this thing. Okay, then the remaining first, second, and third, because you know that which one is fourth color, it means your opposite side is first. Okay, so at the place of first and second, you will see some colors among these 0 to 9 colors: brown, either black, either red, either orange, either white, either green, either blue, either violet, either gray, either white. Any colors at the first, second, and third position. But I am talking about right now about first and second. This first and second are known as first significant digit and second significant digit. So whenever you want to find out the value of a resistor which is in your hand with the help of color coding method, just write down the numbering of the first color and second color. Okay, what I want to say, let's suppose you have 4 color, in which first color is yellow. Okay, the second color is, let's suppose, red. The third color is orange. Okay, and the fourth color is gold. Okay, let's suppose you just purchase from a market the a resistor in which you can easily see from your eyes that which color are there. So yellow, red, orange, and gold are there. So first of all, you should know that which one is first color and which one is second, which one is third, and which one is fourth. So as I told you right now, that the fourth one is that one in which either gold color is there, either silver or no color. So see, the last color is gold, so it means this is your fourth color. It means definitely the opposite side start from first, this one is second, and this one is third. Always the fourth color is either gold, either silver. Okay, either gold or either silver. So you can easily find out the value of resistor with the help of this color coding. Which one is fourth? The gold or silver is fourth. Which one is first or second? The remaining are first, second, third. Now, how to use the first? So I just write down 4. Then what is the second color number? Red. So what is the number of red? Red is at 2. So red is at 2. Okay. Then the third color band is always known as multiplier band. The fourth color band is tolerance. The name of this third color band, the third color name is multiplier. Multiplier. The fourth color band is tolerance. The fourth color band is tolerance. That is how much up and down is there. Gold then plus minus 5%, silver then plus minus 10%, like this one. Okay. First two color, whatever the first two color, just write down their values from the color coding format. Where is the color coding format? I am talking about this green box. This is the color coding format. Okay. This green box show you the color coding format. So first color is yellow. So first two color value directly write down. First color is yellow, the second color is red, and I see that red value is at 2. So I write down 2. So 42 will be there. Then whatever the third color, always write down in power of 10. Multiply by power of 10. Power of 10. Okay, what is the color of third color? That is orange. So where is the position of orange? Orange position is 3. Orange position is 3. So I just write down in power of 10 the 3 value. Okay. Then the last one is gold. So what is the gold tolerance? I know that gold tolerance is plus minus 5%. So this value is 4000 ohm plus minus 5%. So what is the meaning of plus minus 5%? Either 42,000 multiplied by 5 by 100. 42,000 multiplied by 5 by 100. First of all, remember, whenever 10 to power 3 is there, whenever 10 to power 3 is there, it is known as kilo ohm. It is known as kilo ohm. Okay. Whenever 10 to power 6 is there, so it is known as mega ohm. It is known as mega ohm. Okay. So this is what, whenever someone asks you that yellow, red, orange, and gold you have, so what is the value of resistance? So we can say 42 kilo ohm, because 10 to power 3 you will see 42 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Okay, what is the meaning of plus minus 5%? 42,000 multiplied by 5 by 100. So whatever the answer, this type of up down will be there. For example, let's suppose you have brown, black, brown, black, brown, and gold. You will see easily understand what is the meaning of tolerance with the help of this second example. Let's see very carefully. Brown color bands are this one. Okay, so which one is the first, which one is the second, and which one is the third, and which one is the fourth? You can easily find understand that gold is always my fourth. Gold or silver is always fourth color. It means the opposite side is 1, then this black color is a second, then this brown is at. Okay, now I want to find out the answer with the help of a standard color coding format. Standard color coding format, just I write down with the right side. So brown, what is the numbering of brown? So brown, C, brown is at 1 number. So I put 1. First two color directly write down. First is brown. Then what is the position of black? See, the black position is 0. So 1, 0. Okay. Multiply by. The third color is always write down in a power of is brown. So what is the position of brown? From the color coding, brown is at 1 position. So again 10 to power 1. Plus minus gold. So gold means 5%. Okay. So this is what? 10 into 10 to power 1, that is 100. So 100 plus minus 5%. So if someone asks you that what is the value of the resistance, brown, black, brown and gold, so you can say 100 ohm, it is 100 ohm. But when you check from the multimeter, will show from in between any value from 95 to 105 ohm. Why this 95 to 105, any value in between 95 to 105? Because 5% tolerance is there. It means 5% up down is there. So 100 multiplied by 5 by 100. 5% means 5 upon 100 multiplied by 100, that is 5. So either 5 less, either 5 more. So 100 minus 5 is 95 and 100 plus 5 is 105. So in between any value of 95 to 100, 105, 95 to 105, we can see on multimeter. It may be 97 ohm, then okay, it is 100 ohm. It may be 102 ohm, 102 ohm, then okay, it is 100 ohm. It may be 104 ohm, then okay, it is 100 ohm. It may be 99 ohm, then okay, it is 100 ohm, no problem. Okay, so this is the method by which you can easily find out the value of different resistance. Now I just show in front of you the actual resistances and we will find out their values. Now see very carefully. Now I just remove these two examples first of all, and I just come with the help of examples. Right, now see, let's suppose I have this. Okay, now see, let's also suppose you have a resistor in your hand which is in front of you. Okay, now I say you, without the multimeter, find out the value of this resistance. Without the multimeter, find out the value of this resistance. Now see, you see easily that there are four colors: this color, this color, this color and this color. There are only four colors. Forget about the color of the body, that is blue. Forget about the body color. The line, the color strips only we should focus on. So the first color, which one is first, which one is fourth? Definitely it looks like a gold. It looks like a gold. So it is fourth color. Okay, definitely it is fourth. So it means this one is first color and this one is your third color. Okay, so first of all you should understand as which one is first, which one is second, which one is third and which one is fourth. Okay, now we have to find out the answer of this question. So now see, the first color is what color? That is orange. You can easily see this is orange color. So what is the position of orange? See, the position in this color coding is, this one is orange, so position is at 3 number, so it is 3. Then the second is black color. Second is black. First two color you just directly write down from the color coding format. So second one is black. So what is the color black position? That is 0. So it is 3 0. Okay. Then the third color you should write down on 10 to power in terms of 10 to power. Okay. What is the third color? You see this third color is yellow. What is the position of yellow? What is the numbering of yellow? See, yellow numbering is 4. So 30 into 10 to power 4. Okay, the last one is gold. It means plus minus 5%. Okay. Now, if someone asks you what is the answer of this question, then how can you pronounce that answer? You know that 10 to power 3 is your kilo ohm, 10 to power 3 is your 4. So we can say it is 30. Instead of 30, we can say it is 300 multiplied by 10 to power 3. We can say 1 0 will be here. So 1 0 will be decreases from the power. Okay. So it is 300 multiplied by 5%. So it is 300 kilo ohm. So what is the answer of this question? The value of this resistance is 300 kilo ohm and with tolerance plus minus 5%. It means plus minus 5% value will be up and down when we check from the multimeter. When we check from the multimeter. Okay. So it may be 300 kilo ohm plus minus 5%, that is 300 into 10 to power 3 into 5 upon 100. So it will be 3000 up down, 3000 up down. Okay, 3000. It may be 27,000 something to 29,000, maybe whatever plus minus 5% answer. So the answer of this question is it is 300 kilo ohm. It is 300 kilo ohm. When we check from the multimeter, it maybe looks like some up down. So how it will be looks like? from up down. Now to power 4 plus minus 5%. So 5% means 5 upon 100. So 2 power 0 to 2. So 30 into 30. And it is 300. 3000. It will be 3000 value. So 30,000 minus this 30. What is the actual value? 30 and then 4 times 0. So 1 0 0 and then 0. 4 times 0 will be there. And multiply by 5 upon 100. Multiply by 5 upon 100. So this one will be multiply by 5. 3000 multiply by 5 because 30,000 multiply 0,000 multiply by 5 upon 100. So that is 3000 multiplied by 5. So it will 15,000. 15,000. So this 30 15,000. Okay. So if I add them, it will be 31. What I want to say 31,500. Okay. So that is 315 kilo ohm. 315 kilo ohm. Okay, 315k. And if I minus them, it will be 5, then 9, so 8, 30. Oh, kindly wait for a while. I just check it and then inform you. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 times, then minus 15, 1, 2, 3 times. So it will be 285,000. It means 285 kilo. Okay. So whenever you will check from multimeter, it will be 285 kilo ohm to 315 kilo ohm. Any value. It may be 289, it may be 300, it may be 302. Any multimeter, whatever show you the value, that is your 300 kilo ohm. No problem to use in place of 300 kilo ohm. For example, if you in any circuit, in any project, you need a 300 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, you just purchase from the market the orange, black, yellow and gold color band resistors, and when you check from the multimeter, it show you 289 kilo ohm. Then no problem, you can use it. It may show you 312 kilo ohm. Then no problem, you can use it because it is due to the tolerance of that resistor. Okay, now we check one more example. So I just remove this one. I just remove this example and I just come with the second example of a resistor and how to check the value of that resistor. Now see, let's suppose you have a color band like this one, Okay, this is your second example. Now see, let's suppose you have a resistor you just purchase from the market and you have these colors. Okay, now when you see it carefully, this one is your gold color, so definitely it is your fourth color. So it means this color is first, this color is second, this color is third color. Okay, no problem. If you are unable to see any colors on your screen, you just keep your face near to your screen and you can easily see that brown, black, orange, and the fourth color seems to be like a gold color. So definitely first, second, third, fourth is there. Now it is very easy to find out the value. Just write down first two color directly. First is brown color. So what is the position of brown? From the color coding format in front of you in a green box, you see that brown color. Okay, this OWN will be removed. So I just once again write down BROWN, brown. This one is brown. Okay. So this brown color is at 1 position, then black color is at 0 position. So first two color you just write down directly. Then the third color will be comes in power of 10. So what is the color? Third color. The third color is orange, so we just write down 10 to power 3. Okay, then the last one is gold, so it means plus minus 5%. Okay, so what you understand from this, if someone asks you what is the value of a resistor in which 4 colors are brown, black, orange and gold, then you can say, because 10 to power 3 is there, it means kilo, so 10 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, 10 kilo ohm resistor, it is 10 kilo ohm resistor, 10k resistor. But when you check from the multimeter, it will show you any value from 10,000 and multiply by 5 upon 100. 5 upon 100. So that is 100 multiplied by 500. So 500 up and down. So 10,500 up and down. It means 9,500. Oh, sorry. Okay, so it will show you from 9500 ohm to 10,500 ohm. It means what is this? 9.5k to 10.5k. It may be 10.2k, it may be 9.7k. K means 000, nothing else. K means 000, nothing else. Okay, so why this up and down? Because of the tolerance of 5%. So I think you understand the value of this resistor also. 10 kilo ohm, it means brown, black, orange and gold. Okay, now one more example, and then I will ask you about any query if you have. So I am talking about the third example. Just see this third example first of all. Just to see this third example. Okay, now let's suppose I have this resistor and I just want to find out the answer of this question. I just remove this one. Okay, now this one is my third question. Okay, let's suppose you have these four colors. Okay, now someone asks you what is the value of this resistor without the multimeter. Then you know that this one looks like a gold. Generally the fourth color is gold, otherwise silver or no color may be possible, but generally that is gold. So I just use the example in front of you from gold color. So this one is fourth color. Definitely the opposite side, this one is first color, this one is your second color, this one definitely your third color. Okay, now how to find out the value of the resistors? What is the value of this resistor? First and second color you should write down directly from the color coding format that is available in front of you in green box. So orange and orange, two color are there. So what is the value of orange? That is at third position. So first orange is 3, second orange is 3. So that is 33. Then write down the third resistor in power of 10. Write down the third color in power of 10. So in power of 10, I just write down the third color. What is the third color? You can easily see this is brown color. This is brown color. So what is the position of brown? From the color coding format, just see brown is at 1 position. So 10 to power 1. Then the last one is gold. So plus minus 5%. So plus minus 5%. Okay. So what is the theoretical value of this? 33 and 10 to power 3, 10 to power 1 is 0 as it is. So this is 330 ohm resistor. This is 330 ohm resistor. Okay. But when you check from the multimeter, what is the 5% of this 330? What is the 5% of this 330? You know that 5% of this 330 will be 16.5. So 330 ohm plus minus 16.5, we can say in a value we can say 16.5. So 16.5 plus and 16.5 minus. Okay, so when I find out 16.5 plus, then it will be 346.5. 346.5. Okay, and when I just minus with this 330 ohm, then it will be 313.5. 313.5. Okay, so any value when you check from the multimeter, you will find out the actual value that is maybe in that may be present either 331.5, either 334, either 315, either 314.5, anything in between 313.5 to 346.5. So no need to worry about it. You can use this resistor in place of 330 because theoretical value is the correct one, and the up and down is due to the tolerance. Okay, so I use these three examples just to show you. I think that you understand finding out the value of resistance. I Rakesh Jain from Gyan University say thank to you for watching this video. Thank you very much.